Ever had a customer asking you if you can help him repairing one of these cars?
It may not be as common or as simple as a Golf, but being able to repair a Ferrari once in a while is a great boost for your firm's fame, right? Let's say you accept the Supercar and start to work on it. In the end, you may end up with few options you can try to solve the issue, but can you afford to replace part by part till the problem is solved? Especially when they are so hard to find and expensive. Maybe it is better to send the car back to the customer or let the dealer take care of it. Or you could ask mysupercarexpert.com. My Supercar Expert is a company made of professionals who deal with supercars every day. Since we focus only on these vehicles, we accumulated lots of experience and have every tool money can buy to fix these beasts. Whatever issue you're seeing in front of you, we already have met it and know how to take care of it in the most cost-efficient way. Plus, if you need parts, we do sell them at a great price, technical support included. If you like the expensive tools to program the ECU, don't worry, we will do it with our devices before shipping or online via remote when you're installing that part on your vehicle. Our prices and stock information are always updated, so if it's online, it can be bought. But we do not only offer spare parts, we also sell, manufacture and develop OEM aftermarket parts that solve issues or upgrade the driving feeling for these amazing cars.
If you need a hand to fix a supercar, look us up at mysupercarexpert.com.